Be honest. If someone told you there are weird money habits that quietly make people rich, you'd expect something complicated, dramatic, or mystical. But the truth is way stranger than that. Because the habits that actually changed my bank account are the ones that make people look at me like I've lost my mind. So let me confess the 5 weird money habits that secretly made me rich. And trust me, once you hear them, you'll never treat money the same way again. Stay with me because the last habit flips budgeting on its head in a way your brain will not expect. Habit number 1. I talk to money. Literally. I know. Sounds insane, but here's what happens when you do it. You stop treating money like a villain and start treating it like a relationship. So instead of saying, I never have enough, I say, you're safe with me. You grow here. The brain responds to language. Neuroscience shows that your inner dialogue shapes your behavior and decisions. When you speak to money with fear, you behave fearfully. But when you speak to it with confidence, you behave like someone who builds wealth. This one habit alone turned panic into clarity. Habit number 2. My spending multiplies my money. Most people spend to escape their life. I spend to expand mine. Every time money leaves my account, I ask one question. Will this purchase come back to me in terms of knowledge, energy, time, or opportunities? If the answer is yes, it's not an expense, it's a multiplier. High-energy food makes me more productive. Good tools save me time. Knowledge compounds forever. When money multiplies your energy multiplies your income. That's how spending becomes investing without calling it investing. Habit number 3. I assess ROI by energy, not logic. Traditional ROI asks, how much money will I get back? But I ask, how will this affect my energy? Because here's the truth. Money follows energy. Creativity, clarity, decision-making all improve when your energy improves. Logic says, don't spend on this. Energy says, this unlocks your potential. And every time I listened to energy, my bank account grew faster than when I followed pure logic. Energy creates output. Output creates income. This is the richest habit nobody teaches. Habit number 4. I don't track money, I acknowledge it. Tracking feels like punishment. Acknowledging feels like awareness. So instead of obsessively writing every expense, I simply look at my money once a day and say, I see where you are, and I see where you're going. When you acknowledge your money, your brain stops fearing it and starts respecting it. And when you respect money, you stop leaking it in stupid ways. Most financial problems don't come from not tracking, they come from ignoring. Acknowledgement ends that. Habit number 5. I don't budget, I give money a mission. Budgets feel restrictive. Missions feel inspiring. So instead of saying, I can only spend this much, I say, this money is for peace. This money is for growth. This money is for freedom. This money is for joy. When money has a mission, it stops wandering. It stops disappearing. It goes exactly where you tell it to go. And here's the twist. When you give money a mission, you automatically behave like someone who knows how to build wealth without forcing discipline. Your brain loves purpose. Give money purpose, and it stops running away from you. Pick one of these habits, just one, and practice it today. Talk to your money. Ask it to multiply. Give it a mission. Acknowledge it before you sleep. Then pause this video and comment, I'm starting today. Make it real by putting it in writing. One day, you will look back and laugh at how simple it was, how one weird habit shifted your entire financial identity. And future you will say, thank you for doing the thing that felt strange but changed everything. Train your brain, grow your bank.